Welcome to StayBuddy. Let's get your hotel live in the next 3 minutes. I'll walk you through every step of setup, your hotel details, departments, staff, your first guest, and end with exactly what your guests will see on WhatsApp. This is your dashboard. On the left is your navigation. On top right, you'll find the Take a Tour button. Click it anytime to replay this walkthrough. The first time you log in, this tour appears automatically. It gives you a map of what you need to set up. Hotel profile, staff accounts, check in your first guest, contact email, docs. Don't worry if you skip it. It's always one click away. Below the tour, you'll see your onboarding checklist. 5 steps. Each one takes about 2 minutes. As you finish them, the progress bar fills up. Let's go through each step together. Open hotel info from the sidebar. Under hotel details, you'll add your special instructions. These are the rules your AI butler follows when it answers guests. Any policy, any timing, any exception your hotel has. The AI reads this before every response. Under guest settings, upload the welcome image your guests see when they check in. Any JPEG or PNG under 5 megabytes. Add your Wi-Fi name and password so guests get them instantly. Now the most important part. Every department in your hotel gets its own unique link. Housekeeping, room service, front desk, maintenance. Each link only opens that department's inbox. And each link is meant to be opened on the device the department actually uses. The room service link goes on the room service tablet in the kitchen. The housekeeping link goes on the housekeeping supervisor's phone. The front desk link stays open at the front desk monitor. One link, one team, one device. If you share one link with everybody, you break the workflow. Next, create staff accounts. Go to Users, click Add User, pick the department, and set a password. The username is auto-generated from your hotel name plus the department. Each staff member logs in once, then keeps their own department's link open on their own device. Now, check in your first guest. First name, last name, phone number, room number, and dates. Hit Check In. A welcome message goes out instantly on WhatsApp, and your hotel is officially live. This is what it looks like in real life. Your guest asks for the Wi-Fi password. Answered in 4 seconds. They ask for towels. The request lands on the housekeeping phone. They order coffee and a sandwich. It lands on the room service tablet. They ask for late checkout. It lands on the front desk monitor. You never lifted a finger, and every single request went exactly where it needed to go. That's it. 5 steps, 3 minutes of your time, and your hotel is answering guests 24 hours a day in over 80 languages. Questions? Open Docs from the sidebar or tap the question button anytime to reach our team. Welcome to StayBuddy.